These bouquets are parang mga unspoken phrases such as I love you, such as sorry, such as kumusta ka na. Nababaw Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we got a different setup, no? Hindi po pagkain ang nasa table natin today, but these are bouquets, all from Kaela's Everything Bouquet. If you notice, so iba-iba po yung mga flower arrangement natin dito. So let me start with this one. Look at this basket flower. These are dried flowers with fresh white rose. Tapos meron siyang accent ng, ribbons and lights. They can actually customize according to your likings. Now, ito yung mga traditional na bouquet naman. Look at this. This red flower right here. Very elegant. Para sa akin, parang luxurious. Very appropriate for a night date, a dinner. Ayan, pag binigay mo to dun sa ka-date mo, sobrang kikiligin yan, guys. These can last if they are, properly treated or taken care of. For this one, I believe it can last up until a week. Ito naman, yung mga dried flowers natin, it takes a lot of time para mag-expire yung mga flowers natin dito because they are already dried. Now, yung mga nauuso din ngayon na ibang design ng mga bouquet, notice guys, meron tayo ditong Ferrero. They also do that, no? Actually, they can customize from chocolate bouquet, Ferrero Rocher bouquet. Meron din tayong mga money bouquet such as this. So you can, change this to 500, 1,000. Grabe, lalong kikiligin yon kapag money bouquet yung binigay natin. Tapos, meron din tayong mga food bouquet. So, notice yung mga nagiging trend ngayon, no? Some are, of course, chocolate. May mga biscuit na rin. May mga noodles. Iba-iba. I mean, some bouquets are given for fun. A lot of times are given sa mga special occasions such as birthdays, anniversaries, wedding, even a simple day when you give a random simple day when you give or receive a bouquet, nagiging very special yan. Okay, so they also do like mga snacks and drinks bouquet. Kaya po nilang gawin yan. Nagiging trend din na bouquet are these sunflower. Look at these. Sunflower. As an add-on, they can include po mga cupcakes or cakes para one-stop shop na if you want, if you add sweets na rin para lalong maging special yung pinagbibigyan natin. Sa Kaela's Everything Bouquet, they have their everyday goals. They want to deliver love and make people smile. They want to make every occasion extra special at even yung mga simple days natin nagiging extra special then if we give away or receive such these kinds of bouquet. They are located po sa Pandan, Angeles City and they do deliver throughout Pampanga. So make sure to negotiate with them, schedule a delivery according to our orientation with them. Ang parang nagiging trend din ngayon is, for example, the dad is in abroad, overseas, or probably outside the city, hindi makarating. So they send these bouquets secretly. So may mga surprise na dumarating sa bahay nagiging trend din yun, di ba? I think these bouquets are parang mga unspoken phrases such as I love you, such as sorry, such as kumusta ka na. So when you give away this kinds of bouquet, nagiging mas amplified yung sinasabi natin or yung gesture natin towards that someone special from our heart. So once again guys, if you like these kinds of bouquets to be given away or if you want to receive your own, diba? Minsan you gotta reward yourself. You gotta give yourself gifts din naman minsan. So, why not order this one? Again, these are from Kaela's Everything Bouquet. So, not just bouquet, no? Since they are into flowers, lalong-lalo na, malapit na po yung Undas, November 1. So, you can also, express your sympathy, your remembrance sa mga loved ones natin na namayapa through these flower arrangement. So, there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. I'm gonna share this with my wife. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye guys.